All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and get started. So the next section that we're going to talk about is actually from your homework. And we're going to title this in our notebook as Mixed Review. So you should have gotten a worksheet from your teacher called Stolen Counting Problems. And what I'd like you to do right now is do problems numbers 4, number 6, and number 9. Take a look at it, read it, try it, and then pause this video, and when you're ready, come back to it. I'm going to go over all 3 of those problems, all right? All right, so let's see how you did. So number 4 says, 5 children are in a wheelbarrow race. How many ways could the children finish in the top 3 places? So because this problem is designating a position where order matters, I'm going to go ahead and put the slots down for what those values are. So the top 3 places, so this represents first, second, and third. And there are a total number of 5 children. So how many children could come in first? Well, if there are 5 children, I have 5 options for first place. Since one first place, now there are only 4 options for second place, and then there are going to be 3 options for third place. Therefore, I'm going to get 5 times 4 times 3, which are 60 options. Okay. All right. The next problem, number 6, says you are on your way to Hawaii, and of 15 possible books, your parents say you could only take 10. So now you're going to ask yourself, does the order I choose these 10 books matter? Well, no, order doesn't matter. So this is like yesterday's lesson, where I have a group of something, and the order in which I grab that group doesn't matter. So what I'm going to do is use my choose function. So that's going to look like this. I have 15. There were 15 books. I want to choose 10 of them. So I'm going to write that 15, choose 10. And we can use your calculator. You can do it by hand like I showed you yesterday. And that should come out to be 3,003 possible combinations. So the way you approach these 2 problems really just depends on whether order matters or order doesn't matter. All right, last one, number 9. A password begins with 2 letters followed by 2 digits. If repetition is allowed, how many different passwords are there? So there's a couple of things happening in this one. First of all, we're going to decide, does the order that I put this in matter? Yeah, it does. Order matters. So now I'm going to ask myself, what are the possible spots? Well, I have 2 letters followed by 2 digits. For my letters, how many possible letters are there? Well, there's 26 letters in the English alphabet. Now, it did also say repetition is allowed. If repetition is allowed, then how many options do I have for my second spot? I still have 26 options. All right, so that's a little different from this one where because the first person was taken, I only have 4 options for my second choice. All right, and as we continue down, it says followed by 2 digits. So it said digits from 0 to 9. So if I count it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, that's 10 of them. So I have 10 choices for this and 10 choices for this, again, because repetition is allowed. If I multiply that out, I've got 26 times 26 times 10 times 10, which is 67,000 possible passwords. So hopefully that'll get you through most of this homework assignment. They're all pretty similar to those. All right, thanks for watching.